So how do you download stuff from the Files app on the iPad? Let's get started and let's explain that. So if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so you have the Files app on your iPad as usual, right? And if you want to download some stuff from this and move it somewhere else, you can locate the file like this, whatever file type it is. You can just hold down on it, and in order to get it outside of this app, you need to use the share tool, right? So you click on share, and this lets you export it, right? So you can, for example, share it over email, or as you can see, we have some other platforms like you can upload it to Google Drive or other cloud services, right? You can share it through email, Snapchat, whatever you have installed, right, or available, right? So this is how you can get it outside of the app. For photos and videos specifically, you also have the ability to save that, which means just moving the video or photo from Files app to the Photos app, right? So you just move it in between your iPad, but it essentially just like you download it from the Files app, if that makes sense, right? So that's how it works. Of course, the files which you download from the internet, like using Safari web browser, are going to be saved in the downloads folder of the files, right? So, by default, you can find it in there. But as I say, you can also perhaps save it to the Photos app or share it through a different service, right? So if you have something specific that you want to ask or something you've been wondering about, let me know about that below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it, but most definitely don't miss anything important by subscribing, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you in those videos.